13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Lots of great advice there from Aaron. The biggest thing to note about tomorrow's system is no. Are you going to need the road flares? Probably not, but those are all great things to have in your car all season long. I am expecting a pretty active snowfall track throughout the season. Not necessarily saying that all of that snow will stick to the ground for long durations of time, but I think we're going to get our fair share of systems on and off throughout this winter season. Starting tomorrow, weather ball blinking blue today. We have cooler temperatures in view and showers in sight. A cold front working through right now that's going to bring us some passing rainfall, but also some cooler temperatures. As we head throughout the day today, we're starting off our morning in the 40s. We'll fall, or upper 40s, I should say. We'll fall into the low 40s by 5 o'clock, and then tonight falling down into the low 30s. Just cool enough to support a transition in terms of our lake effect rainfall over to lake effect snow. As we head into your Thursday afternoon, temperatures do climb back above freezing, and that's where we start to see some of that slushy snow quickly melting away, a pattern that I think will be pretty frequent this winter season. 10 a.m. today, rainfall moving on in. That will last until about 2 p.m. Back underneath dry conditions, but short-lived as lake effect rain fires off behind this system. Notice by 1 a.m. inland, just a jump, hop, and a skip, we're switching over from rain to snow. Wintry mix along the lakeshore boundary itself. Within these bands, which goes through the heart of Grand Rapids, stretching over towards Ada, Allegan County, the Wayland area, Dorr experiencing another band, and then a band to the south of Kalamazoo. Those are the three spots that I do expect 3+ inches of snow to come down. System snow wraps in, bringing everybody a widespread 1 to 2 inches. That's inland from the lakeshore. Lakeshore boundary, do not count yourself in on these snowfall totals. Winds off the water, water temperatures being in the 50s. It's just not going to happen as much for you as it will for us inland. Here's a glance at model snowfall totals. Again, we're talking on a widespread scale, 1 to 2 inches of slushy snow coming down. In those 3 lake effect bands, though, that I mentioned, those are going to be the areas that we get 3+, maybe a localized higher amount, start to see some accumulation that could bring some slightly higher impacts. Just remember, give yourself extra time tomorrow. First snow of the season. Don't be zipping around on the expressways. We know there will be accidents. Lakeshore boundary today, upper 40s right now. We will end the day in the low 40s, so not gaining any heat as that cold front pushes its way through. The rest of your 13 on your side, 7-day forecast. We've issued a 13 weather impact alert for Thursday, not necessarily because of how much snow we're seeing, but because it's the first snow of the season.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.